Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to walk through a simple and useful feature on Discord, changing the zoom level on your PC. With the latest update, adjusting your view has never been easier. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening Discord on your PC. Once it's up and running, you're ready to make some adjustments. Next, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the window. This gear icon is your gateway to all the settings you need to personalize your Discord experience. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll be taken to the User Settings menu. In this menu, scroll down the left sidebar until you find the Appearance option. Click on it to reveal appearance-related settings that can enhance your screen experience. After clicking on Appearance, scroll down a bit further until you see the Zoom Level option. Here, you'll find a slider that lets you adjust the zoom level to your preference. Now it's time to make your change. Move the slider left to zoom out and right to zoom in. You'll see the changes take effect immediately, so you can find the perfect size that suits your vision. Once you're satisfied with your zoom level, simply close the settings window. And that's it. You've successfully changed the zoom level on Discord, making it easier to read messages and navigate through channels. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks on your favorite apps. Happy chatting on Discord.